Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
I'm working.
What do you do?
I'm in a sort of investment banker. I'm working in IBL asset management as risk management.
Okay, let's start. How often do you buy shoes?
Well, not very often, but yes, I do buy shoes. I have, you may say, an attachment towards comfortable shoes and good looking as well to
Okay,
carry a good look.
good.
However, if I say how often, it depends upon the price as well. Normally, wearing good shoes are expensive.
All right,
So,
thank you. Thank you. Now, examiner will not allow you to give a long answer. You need to speak precisely according to the question. 5, 6 sentences are more than enough. Right? Let's go on and try to speak fluently without any pauses and breaks. Have you ever bought shoes online?
no, I haven't bought shoes online as I'm not clear that what size exactly it would be. It would match my shoe size or not.
Okay, this is rather a short answer. You need to add a little more to
Okay.
it. Okay. So, do you know anyone who like to buy a lot of shoes?
Yes,
One of
he,
my cousins.
one of my cousins likes to buy shoes very often as he has attachment or you may say a love to wearing good shoes and while traveling or while having any journey even he buys good shoes.
Okay. What is your favorite type of shoes?
Well, it depends upon the occasion or the clothing what I'm carrying. It could be if there is formal shoes if I'm going to office. Otherwise, if I'm for running or gym, it should be good joggers, depending upon the situation.
Okay. What's your favorite color when it comes to shoes?
A brown color.
Why?
Brown color could be linked with many informal, many pants or many trousers or dressing, whereas black should be linked to some dark or black colors, black pant or specific.
Okay, that's good. So just try to organize your answer properly, speak fluently, and maintain good eye contact with the examiner in actual exam, and you'll be fine with that, right? You understand the questions, and your answers are according to the question. Just be a little more active and energetic. Be more fluent, okay? And at least 5, 6 sentences are enough for each answer.
I wasn't being confident. I do not know
Don't
why.
worry, don't worry. It's because of lights, camera, action. So you'll
Maybe,
be fine, okay?
maybe.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.